Hi, I'm Sammy, and for my Web 2.0 assignment, I chose to do it on PhotoBucket. Web 2.0 is the second stage of development of the World Wide Web, characterized especially by the change from static web pages to dynamic or user-generated content, and the growth of social media. So what is PhotoBucket? PhotoBucket is a website where you can store all of your photos. It acts as a photo editor and also a web host. And you can also share your photos on your social platforms directly from this website. And right here is the web address. So the cost varies whether you want to pay monthly or yearly. I actually used to have PhotoBucket, and it used to be completely free, but depending on the amount of gigabytes of storage you want, monthly it ranges from $6 to $13, and then yearly it ranges from $5.39 to $11.69. Some features and characteristics that I found were the editing tool, where you can edit your photos, you can change the filter, you can crop the image, you can add text to the image, and you can also draw or paint on the image. The next one is slideshow. You can play a slideshow of all the photos you have stored in your albums, or all of them stored in your PhotoBucket, and you can also order prints of specific photos that you want, and they'll ship it to your house. So how to use PhotoBucket. So first and foremost, you need to upload and organize your photos by album, and you can share those albums and photos with friends. You can edit those photos, and you can order photos to print. So ways that I would apply this to my teaching would be to organize photos of activities I would take, just to remember what they look like, and I can go back and see, use it as examples. And also taking pictures of my students in my class. I know that I have plans to take pictures of them for specific activities, so this will be a good website to store their photos in there safely by grade level or class. And here is the video I found on PhotoBucket, and it's actually the CEO of PhotoBucket.
My name is Ted Leonard. I'm the CEO of PhotoBucket. PhotoBucket operates in the digital image space and allows our members to easily host, share, and store their digital images. The top 3 challenges we're facing today: 1, rejuvenation of a legacy brand.
And that concludes my presentation. Thank you so much.